everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpin here, and welcome to a little bit of a Locomotive update. As you can see, I don't have any new locomotives at the time. So what I have here, you may be wondering, why do I have these locomotives here? Well, apparently I was able to fix these locomotives up, so this is going to be a little bit of an update, because as you can see, I got these locomotives fixed because apparently they have faulty motors. So what I did is I ended up contacting the ScaleTrains product support team, and Mark, who was the person in charge of the product support team, actually I contacted him, and he sent me 2 motors for a free charge because depending on the warranty on these locomotives, they would either give you a free charge, some free motors, or you have to pay, or they'll have to charge you like maybe basically like I think $40 from what I heard in some of the Facebook groups. So I'm not sure like on the charges yet, because I know sometimes they charge you like, you know, $40 or so. I don't know. So yeah, so apparently I got both of these locomotives fixed. They were quite easy to like switch the motors. Like I take out the motors, you just, you know, take off the shell, unscrew the fuel tank, take out the coupler covers and all that, and then just insert it out. But it takes lots of patience. So as you can see, I got 2 rivet counter locomotives that I fixed up. The first one is my BNSF ES44 AC number 5831. The reason why I took out that motor is because every time I run it, the locomotive just runs very slow and such. And as for this locomotive right here, CSX 3364, which is the Tier 4 Gevo, which is, as CSX calls them, as the ET44AHs. Apparently, after I had this, since I got this locomotive this summer, from like possibly in, I think I got this in possibly on the last day of July or somewhere in early August. And from what I heard, after running it for a few times, the motor somehow started to become faulty for some strange reason. So yeah, so apparently I had to have this locomotive rest up, and then had to put it for storage until I could get a new motor for it so it could run again. So there it is. So when I contacted them, the motors did arrive, and I took out the old motors and put them in the new ones. So let me show you guys. So right here is the gondola. These are the old motors, as you can see. It's like some of them. Here's the wiring for that. This one came from the CSX. So there's that. And this one came from the BNSF. There's that. So they're just gonna be sitting in the gondola temporarily until I can think about what I'm gonna do with them. Like, I possibly might make a freight load for them. Like, possibly I might get some flat cars. Like, if possible, I can try to see if I can find some either some Walters, Athearn, or ScaleTrains flat cars, and turn them into loads. Because if you haven't seen in some of my operating sessions, I have one of the ScaleTrains bulkhead flat cars that has a motor load, which those are some of the old Athearn motors. So I can get that for you guys and show you. So I just want to show you guys. So here it is. So you guys have seen this in some of my operating sessions. I created my own custom load with using some of the old motors. So as you can see, this one's an old Athearn ready to roll motor, or a roundhouse, because I took that one out because the motor was old and it ran slow. This one came from my old SD78, which is the BNSF 9271. Because when I ran the locomotive, the motor, it started smoking, so then afterwards it stopped running. So I picked this up at my local hobby shop, which is Show Me Model Railroad, located in Granby, Missouri. So I picked up a new motor because they had one in stock, so I took out. So after that, I was able to put a new motor in that, and it still runs. And there it is. Looks good, and I think the freight load looks impressive. So these are the old ScaleTrains motors I have. So anyways, so there's that. So I'll do a test run to see how they perform. Alright, so that's how they run now. They run smooth, they run a lot quicker, depending on the speed step I put on the MRC controller I have. So they run very nice, they run very smooth as always. So I'm actually glad with how they turned out with how I did repairs. The repairs is quite easy, but requires lots of patience. So anyways, I think I did a really good job repairing both of these. So whenever I need to contact ScaleTrains again, just contact their product support team. So, because their product support team, their email is located on their website, so they're under their contact us page. So, just go there, contact them if you ever need anything with warranty parts, replacements, or anything. Just contact them and they can send them straight to you. So, anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, bye.